Today's subject is about the hiccup, how to stop hiccup in 1 second. In in the Oriental country like Korea, China, Japan, they know about this one, that when they hiccup, then we make it surprise or snoopy, then hiccup will be stopped. However, that most of us know about this one, but I haven't seen that why this kind of things work for hiccup. Now, one of the old books said that if somebody do hiccup, then you are thief. Just like that. Stop. Hiccup. Then why? How it work? Now, according to acupuncture theory, there are three causes of disease. One is exterior cause. Second one was interior cause. Third one was something doesn't belong to exterior or interior. We are talking about just the exterior or interior. This is enough to explain about the hiccup. Now, when the hiccup come, does it come from bottom to up or from top to bottom? Everybody know about this one. Must be bottom to up. Now, then let me write down in here that exterior cause is that wind and the summer heat and summer heat, fire and the damp and dryness, then dryness and cold. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is this is the exterior cause. Now, outside the body, there is wind, sometimes summer heat, fire, damp, dry, and cold. However, what do you think? Making bottom to up. Of course, the answer over here is fire. Damp usually come down and cold, dry, wind is like this. And so the answer is fire. The second question now then, what about the interior cause? Interior cause is our emotion. Sometimes we become angry, sometimes too joyful or thinking too much, sometimes sadness, sometimes worrisome, and sometimes frightened, sometimes fear. All those emotions will affect our body, then cause a disease. Now, when you look at this one, let's say here is a wood, and this is a fire, and this is the earth, this is the metal, and this is the water. Now, when we become angry and belong to wood, and fire is a joy, and A metal is worry or sadness. And water is fear and frightened or surprised. And earth means thinking too much. Okay. Now, when you look at all this one, this anger is up, fire go up. Now, worry and sadness is go down, and fear and surprise go down. Now you see the pattern over here now? Fire is up, so this is going up, so no, don't go up, come down. Fear or surprise. That's the energy bring down. Now you understand why, somebody, somebody, then somebody, suddenly, snap in the back. What the hell you doing? Then, because of this surprise, energy make down, then, hiccup stop. That's an interesting one, okay? Now, so we understand, we understand this one, but sometimes, let's say, when I walk, and, a tiger is running against me, then, oh my God, not surprise, that's a fear, okay? So, long time ago, this fear or surprise can be used either way. So, wait a second. My money is missing. You stole my money. Then, no, I did not. In the meantime, because of fear or surprise, the hiccup stop. That is the wisdom of ancient people. So now, sometimes when I was a kid, I used to hiccup a lot. Then I asked mom. Then mommy, could you please help me? Surprise. Then because I know, my mom are going to me surprise. So even though she makes surprise, it doesn't help sometimes. So I am ticklish, but if anyone, other people do tickle, then however, when I do ticklish, it doesn't work. Same reason. Now today I am going to introduce one way to hiccup the stop in 1 second. 1 second, okay? The point is called PC6. This is the point. I have an interesting story. When I was in acupuncture school, and one of the students who is RN, when she works in the hospital, there is one person on the table waiting for surgery. But he's doing hiccup. So now, because of hiccup, they have to cancel, the surgery. Then this RN, went to over there and pressed, PC6 in there. Then hiccup stop. Then wait a second, but it was not difficult, surgery. So maybe 15 minutes, and then RN just press the PC6. Then without the hiccup. And the surgery was done perfectly. So then even though other nurses, other doctors, saw her, they know, oh, you did, making hiccup stop. So she was a very famous, person, because of this, piece 6. Now, then we gotta know where the piece 6. Okay, here, over there, okay, I have 2 tendon in here, okay, and check it out, okay, 2 tendon here, and you go up all the way up, in this tremble, this is the line in here, okay, and this is the person, okay, this is the spot, okay, then you down, then suddenly, it's drop. That's the point of piece 6. So all you have to do is, I just press here, then hiccup will stop. Then we have to understand why. Because PC6 has a function, remove clear heat or heart. Is that wonderful theory about the acupuncture? Thank you so much for your watching.